स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने।
Revered Secretary Mataji, esteemed representatives of Indian Oil, Mr. Devesh Chauhan ji, Mr. Surendra ji, teachers and my dear children. Namaskar and a very warm welcome to all of you to this prize distribution ceremony for the competitions held last week in celebration of Swachhata Pakhwada. Before I proceed, I would like to briefly introduce Mr. Devesh Chauhan ji, who is an international hockey player. He made his international debut in early 2000 and represented India at the Summer Olympics twice in 2000 and 2004 in Australia and Greece. He received the Arjuna Award in 2003, the Lakshman Award in 2001, the Yash Bharti Award in 2005 and the Ahalya Bai Holkar Award in 2006. I extend a very warm welcome to him. So let's just cheer him up for that. This event has provided a fantastic platform for our students to showcase their creativity and talent. All thanks to the generous support and sponsorship of Indian Oil Corporation Limited. I extend my sincere gratitude to Mr. Hamza, to Mr. Devesh Chauhan ji and all other officials of Indian Oil for their invaluable contribution towards promoting cleanliness awareness amongst our young students. Today we have gathered to celebrate the achievements of our students who have done really well in these competitions. It is so heartening to see the enthusiasm of all the students who participated. The theme of Swachhata Pakhwada has made us all reflect deeply on the importance and urgency of cleanliness in our lives. The enthusiastic participation of our students has proved their understanding and commitment for this cause. I am delighted to announce that we have selected the top 3 entries from each category: recitation, essay writing and drawing. However, in the spirit of fostering a positive and encouraging environment for our students, we have decided not to reveal the rankings. We believe that each participant is a winner in their own right, and we are immensely proud of each one of them. Thank you, Devesh sir. We deeply appreciate your support and encouragement, and we are extremely grateful to Indian Oil for this collaboration in nurturing the talent and noble values of our students. Heartiest congratulations to all the participants for their hard work and dedication. Thank you all, and let us continue to inspire and empower each other on this wonderful journey of learning and growth. Before we go ahead with the prize distribution, I would like to request our top 3 entrants of recitation competition to come and recite the message once again. So, in order it is Tanishka Yadav, Atharva Porwal and Dhaval Krishna. So let's welcome them.
Good morning everybody, my name is Tanishka Yadav and I study in class KG. Today I am going to recite a poem named Save Earth, Save Future. This poem tells us that Earth is our dear mother, but what we are doing with our mother? We are cutting down the trees, we are throwing garbage on the road. We should not do that. We should plant more trees and save our future. So, let's begin the poem. Save Earth, Save Future. Lives are crying because it's not green. Earth is dying because it's not green. Earth is our dear mother, don't pollute it. She gives us food and shelter, just salute it. With global warming, it is in danger. Let's save it by becoming a strong ranger. With dying trees and animals, it is in sorrow. Make green today and green tomorrow. Wind melting snow, one day it will sink. How can we save it? Just think. Trees are precious, preserve them. Water is a treasure, reserve them. Grow more trees and make Mother Earth a queen, and reduce pollution and make her a queen. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम अथर्व पोरवाल है। मैं कक्षा 2 का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है स्वच्छ भारत। पहले तो गांधी जी ने बोला भारत स्वच्छ बनाओ, उठो हाथ में झाड़ू लेकर कचरा अभी हटाओ। कुछ ने बात सुनी बापू की, कुछ ने बात उड़ाई, और समय के साथ सफाई रह गई हवा हवाई। रहे बीच में पानी पर कूड़ा कचरा फैला, हो रहा देश का दिल कतरा कतरा मैला। सरकारों की आंख बंद थी, था समाज भी सोया, पता नहीं चल पाया हमको हमने क्या क्या खोया। गंदी गलियां, गंदे नाले, गंदे सड़क किनारे, रिश्ते नाते मैले हो गए, टूटे भाईचारे। बीमारी ने दस्तक देकर घर घर हमें रुलाया, सिर पर चढ़कर बोलने लगा बीमारी का साया। पहली हवा का ठंडा झोंका एक और से आया, भारत स्वच्छ करेंगे हम, उसने नारा एक लगाया। झाड़ू अपने हाथ में लेकर कर दी शुरू सफाई, देने लगा सोचिए सबको झाड़ू दे थमाई। एक नया वचन हम सबको है लेना, भारत स्वच्छ बना के ही अब हमको दम है लेना, अब हमको दम है लेना। धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम धवल है और मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं आप सबको स्वच्छता अभियान से संबंधित एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। बारीक गंदगी भी हटेगी, पर पहले मोटे मोटे कचड़े की बारी है। धैर्य रखें, आश्वस्त रहें, स्वच्छता अभियान जारी है। धैर्य रखें, आश्वस्त रहें, स्वच्छता अभियान जारी है जिसे साफ करना वो मैदान बहुत बड़ा, और कचरा भी फिर ऐसा कि सालों से है पड़ा। पर ना तो ये हाथ कमज़ोर, ना ये झाड़ू बेचारी है। धैर्य रखें, आश्वस्त रहें, स्वच्छता अभियान जारी है। दुर्गंध भरी यह नाली जो बहती कम ठहरी ज़्यादा, तट पाले कंटक तरु जिनकी हुई जड़ें गहरी ज़्यादा। पर सफाईदार बड़ा तजुर्बेकार, जाने सब दुनियादारी है। धैर्य रखें, आश्वस्त रहें, स्वच्छता अभियान जारी है। होते ही पूर्ण स्वच्छ प्रांगण, खिल उठेगा एक नव उपवन। नव वृक्ष लता पादप तितली, नव सुमन सुगंध भ्रमर गुंजन। उसने की सब तैयारी है, कुछ अपनी भी जिम्मेदारी है। धैर्य रखें, आश्वस्त रहें, स्वच्छता अभियान जारी है। धैर्य रखें, आश्वस्त रहें, स्वच्छता अभियान जारी है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you children for this fabulous recitation. Now I would request Mr. Devesh Chauhan sir of Indian Oil Corporation to come forward and honor the top 3 performers. I will now announce the names of the top 3 participants of each category. Children are requested to come forward and take their prizes. First one is recitation competition. Atharv Porwal of grade 2, Tanishka Yadav of grade KG, and the third one is Dhaval Krishna of grade 4. Our second competition is drawing and painting competition. Sumi Patra of grade 4, Ujjwal of grade 4, and the last one is Saina Thakur of grade 4. And the last one is essay writing competition. Joyita Das of grade 5, Ananya of grade 5, and the last one is Aman Kumar of grade 5.